Hello, Professor. This is my project, Amazon Supply Chain, presented by Michael Masaki. So, origin of the creative idea. So, basically, during the COVID, we saw a large increase of the delivery services, and Amazon was a part of it. During the COVID, they have like a lot of work to do since like nobody will be really able to move to a place. So, they really increase the customer service, and at the same time they also amplify with basically added a couple new technology to the services to be able to basically answer all the demand from the customers. Then on the supply chain speed, we have like different step and different, I will say, department when Amazon start doing way better. We have a couple quotes here. So for example, during 2023 Cyber Monday sales, Amazon used AI system to forecast a daily demand of over 400 million products and predict where the orders were coming in from based on their reserve of historical data. Now, second thing, um, Amazon has invested in a new robotic inventory management system like Sequoia. Sequoia helped the company identify and store inventory 70 times faster. 70% faster, sorry. In 2020 alone, Amazon was able to use machine learning and AI to save 1.6 billion in transportation and logistic cost and reduce the 1 million tons of CO2 emission, which is actually really huge for a company to really reduce the production of emission of CO2 like this. Inspiration and creativity. AI and machine learning work a lot with the data collected. Amazon, through their company, collect a really large amount of data that can be used and predictive and oh sorry, can use on predictive analytic such as customer behavior. The size and veracity of the data play a major role in machine learning that can anticipate and work with a large amount of information. Implementation of AI and machine learning. So first, speeding the process become more efficient. That was one of the key for Amazon during the COVID, and I think after the COVID phase, Amazon keep working on it and keep like basically adding a lot of tool, a lot of new technology to stay in touch with the competition. Number two, reduce package waste, simply using less material that lead to less CO2 emission. We talked about it in a couple slides before, but this is really a huge factor. The fact that using less, that also join the efficiency, it's just in another department, and it's also due to AI and machine learning implementation. Inventory efficiency using robot and restock faster when it's needed. Um, Also, when we talk about robot, it's still AI and machine learning, but at the same time, we can see here that Amazon reduce also the charge on employee by basically like using robot that can be like way more efficient and that can work way longer than an employee. Last but not least, avoiding delivery damage. AI helped to reduce delivery damage. So by using the data collected from the previous package, sending back to Amazon, they can really identify what was wrong, what is need to be working on the package, and make sure the package next time ended up safe at the customer place. 75% speeding increases. So this statistic is really huge. The reason why I really spent a lot of time into it, it's because when we think about it, we talk about a company that basically was still activated during the COVID, and now that we kind of passed this time, they're still increasing the speed of the services. And I think it's just the fact that they use implement tools such as AI and machine learning. And right now, since like the life kind of came back to normal, they can really enjoy like the efficiency and also the quality of those tools that can basically make them do better and also cost less on charge, such as packaging and also employee to be able to see. The final reflection and future steps. Amazon is doing an amazing job. We can't deny it. They make the organization efficient by incorporating new tool, and the result is amazing. We will witness a lot of businesses using AI and machine learning. There is still a question regarding data privacy and ethical way to use it, but that doesn't stop any company right now. There's also questions about our society moving toward robotic. Is it safe or not? How can we control or ensure the reliability of it? And we need to answer this question for our future. We all agree that AI and machine learning have a really good impact on Amazon. We also happy that basically this technology reduce CO2 emissions. So on this side, I think we kind of all agree, but at the same time, we have also to be really careful about how we use this technology. We still not really stated a privacy law, a privacy I will say initiative about the data collected. And at the same time, the robotic basically doing the main work, it's good, it's really efficient, and it costs less for an employer. But at the same time, we still have to provide some job opportunity for the people around. So I think that's the type of question that we as a society gonna have to ask ourselves and be ready to answer it before we get to a point where we basically get replaced by robotic references, and that's it for me. Thank you, Professor.